For the making of french fries, I have taken about 4 large potatoes and will be cutting it in the shape of french fries. To make french fries, take a potato, cut it into 2 halves. Take 1 half, make the back side of the potato equal, then cut it into 2 equal halves of about 1 centimeters. Then give it the shape of french fries. You can see. Now I will be cutting the whole potato in the same way. Do not waste any part of it, just cut even the small pieces. Cut the back side of the potato and cut it again into 2 halves, equal halves, then give it the shape of french fries. Now your french fries are all set to be fried in oil. You don't need to boil it in water. You can just directly fry it after washing it under water 2 to 3 times so that the extra starch gets off from the potatoes. After cutting the french fries, wash it under water for 2 to 3 times so that the extra starch of the potatoes gets off. Then keep water in the bowl. Well, make sure to take out the french fries only before frying it into the oil, and do not keep it without water, or else the potatoes will turn into dark color. In order to keep this freshness, we will be adding salt in the water, and to avoid it from getting black. In order to deep fry the french fries, heat the oil. Check the oil if it's heated. Once the oil gets heated, slowly add the french fries into the oil. The oil is heated. Now gradually add the fries. Be careful while adding the fries. And let it cook for about 3 minutes. Some water in a small bowl and add about 1 teaspoon of salt in it and mix it well so that we can sprinkle this water into the frying french fries. If we add this water into the oil, then you can get that salty flavor into the french fries. Flame and sprinkle the salt water into the oil. Once the french fries turn slightly golden and crispy from outside, you can take off them. As you can see, it's all done now. Delicious salty french fries are ready.